Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to at least remove the plastic from the advent calendar that I have from Spellbinders. I've never done an advent calendar before. This has been very difficult already. It's only October. I've had this for a few weeks and I have still not opened the plastic. It is very difficult for me to do that. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to take a look at the package. I'm not going to be opening any of the windows. I won't be doing that until December 1st. But we can at least take a look and see what this says, right? So you know whether it's something that you might want to play with as well. I've seen some of the other folks' videos having to do with one of the advent calendars, and it looks like it's going to be packed full with crafty goodies from Spellbinders. And I want to give you guys a chance to also, if you choose to get this, and you would like to come on one of my live streams with me and us just do some crafty play as we open it up, go ahead and add a comment down below what your favorite thing about an advent calendar is, or for that matter, what your favorite thing about Christmas is. Anyway, on the front it shows, here it says we've got dies, embossing folders, stamps, embellishments, stencils, and this is especially for card makers. So there is a second advent calendar this year that's all stitched goodness, but this one is for card makers, so it's supposed to not have the stitching stuff. When I turn it over, kind of shows you what the inside is supposed to look like and some of the goodies in there. So if this is an accurate illustration of what's in there, we've got an ice cream cone sequins, got a little slimline embossing folder, a little turtle die set. Don't know if those are actual die sets that are going to be in there or not. We've also got this little stamp set here. So let's see what it says when we open it up. This looks just like what the picture showed in there. So the way that it works is we're going to be opening up one of the boxes starting December 1st. So this is the one we're going to be opening up on December 1st, and we'll see what's in there. Anyway, it looks like this is going to be a lot of fun. Like I said, this is my first advent calendar ever. We didn't do them when I was a kid. So we're gonna see how that goes. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I would love to do that with you guys, have the whole experience with you guys. So be sure to tune in each day in December to see what I do with this. And yeah, if you would like to be on one of my live streams because you're getting one of these too and you'd like to craft along with me, leave your name, leave me a note down in the comments to let me know. I will be pulling names from the folks that comment on this video. I may release another place which you can enter as well, but go ahead and do that, and we are going to have a lot of crafty fun. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.